Americans are already feeling the effects just 2 days after the Russian invasion. Elise Zwick spoke with a professor at the University of Tennessee to find out what we can possibly expect in the weeks to come. Elise.
Scott Gilpatric, professor and head of the Department of Economics at the University of Tennessee, tells me the spike in oil prices translates to higher prices for gas at the pump. And he says if this conflict escalates, we can expect more problems, but it's hard to know at exactly what capacity.
The best guess is the short-term effect on us will mostly be just in somewhat higher energy prices, but there are a lot of unknowns about what will happen in the long term.
He says right now the invasion is clearly a shock to the world and the political system. If the conflict continues and stays in one area, as we've seen in the past with conflicts like Iraq and Afghanistan, we could see the prices stabilize and the markets get back to what they were.
My best guess is that as the markets get a sense that this isn't going to somewhere extreme and the tail risks seem to be fading, we'll probably get back to the trends that existed prior to this conflict, which were broadly favorable for stocks and other global markets.
Russia is a top supplier of natural gas and oil. AAA says the national average of gas prices in the U.S. is up to $3.57 a gallon, up 3 cents from the previous day. That's up $2.68 from last year.
It probably means a little bit higher commodity prices, especially energy prices. The biggest impact will probably be on European countries that are big consumers of natural gas from Russia, which they'll likely they're facing enormous pressure to stop sourcing so much natural gas from Russia, and that means more expensive alternatives.
He says if this conflict takes a turn and becomes more widespread, then we could see much larger problems overall.
The longer term question is, how does that change patterns of trade and integration?
With gas prices on the rise, you can find the best prices on gas in our area through the Fuel Finder on our website. Reporting live in the studio, Elise Zwick, Local 3 News.